Hello everybody, and welcome to my first update of my new game called Defense Inc. This is going to be a tower defense / sim resource management, where you can go ahead and you have your power and your towers, and as well you're going to have to manage your monsters, and it's kind of going to be kind of balanced and explained further on in the future. Right now, currently, the features we have available, we as in me, just I'm the one working on this, is we got your towers involved in there. You can build a turret, which you can go ahead and go and place anywhere on the grid right now. Currently there's no restrictions to that, so I'm going to have to get that fixed later, because currently you can place a tower anywhere you want on the path in other buildings as well. So once you do so, you can see that a tower station is going to connect the power solar towers to the turret towers. And it's going to go ahead and give them power, so you're going to have to manage that, make sure all your towers have power and are working properly in that way. As you can see though, when we have solar towers as well, these are going to have their own sort of range that are going to be able to wirelessly connect to all these other towers, and then you can put them as far away as you like, and they will see if the tower is too far away from the power station, then it's not going to work, it's not going to connect anything. Currently it does work. The power station is just cosmetic, but if you go ahead and place one just over here, it's going to go ahead and connect those two power stations together, and as well as the solar power panel, so that the whole simulation works together and everything's powered. In the future, everything is going to have either that's my phone. Either a little lightning bug above the tower if it's not powered, as well as it's going to have a little bit of lightning effects on the wires to show that power is going through. On a few other buildings, what's going to happen is, because you're going to manage because it's kind of a simulation game, not just a tower defense, you're going to manage another tower that's not currently implemented yet, which is going to be you'll be able to place a tower like around here or something that's going to increase the chances, increase the amount of monsters that are going to be able to spawn inside, and it's going to increase the rate. So right now I just have a little test monster that's just a little spider turtle thing currently. And with these towers, they'll be like sonic sonar towers. It'll increase the chances of monsters coming up, and it'll give you more money and cash so you can build more stuff to create your corner defense situation. The end game here is you'll go through stages per a certain amount of waves of enemies, and then you'll be able to buy onto the next stage. Like stage 1/1, 1/2. And then you're going to be able to go over, and it's going to be quite more in depth. Right now, this is currently just like the prototype of where I very first built. I'm working with Unity a bit now, and this is going to be on mobile game on Android only. And I'm hoping to get some feedback on it and see if I can get the development to go along smoothly as possible. I'd like to finish this project, and it'd be really nice to get some feedback on it as I'm working on it. So, you know what? That's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you have any suggestions on what to do with my project as I'm working on it, feel free to go ahead and let me know. Currently, this game is going to be called Defense Inc. I'm going to create a playlist for that. And go ahead and follow it. Subscribe if you want to be interested in involving the development of this. And if you have any suggestions on what I'm doing wrong, go ahead and feel free to tell me that too. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you later.